Good morning, everybody! Today, we have something special for you. Today, we're going through our bathroom bags. So, if you're getting into van life, if you are thinking about getting into van life, and you're at that planning stage where you're like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to shower at different places, we got you covered. We're gonna be going through our bag and showing you exactly what's in my bathroom bag and what's in Alicia's bathroom bag. Because we oftentimes shower at gyms, just like 95% of van lifers out there. Okay, it is time to show you what's in our bathroom bag.
So let's see what's in my bathroom bag. We'll start with the big stuff. This is my shampoo bar, which is all wet because I just took a shower, as is my hair. I got this from wasted.com, which is actually a company in Colorado Springs that we buy most of our reusable stuff from. We have to keep it in their little travel tins. All right, the second thing is my face moisturizer, then a thing of floss, compact, which I use when I can't find my hairbrush. Then I have this pouch, which has my razor in it, which uses recycled steel blades, stainless steel blades, so that I am using less impact with my razor. Contacts, my perfume, my Eco tools, even though I don't have foundation or blush or powder of any kind. Lipstick, and a lipstick applicator. My roll-on liquid deodorant, which is called Pit Liquor, which is made in Fort Collins, here in Fort Collins. It's a local product. Then I have my bamboo toothbrush, my lip liner, my contact case, another thing of dental floss, my inhaler. I don't actually use this in the restroom, I just keep it in my bathroom bag so that I always know where it is. And my mascara, which is a cake mascara. So you just wet it down and use the little applicator brush on it and then use it like normal mascara. A pair of tiny scissors, nail clippers, 2 pairs of tweezers, 2 hair ties, cold and flu nighttime gels, which I don't know why they're in here, and 1 buttload of bobby pins, even though I never put my hair up. That's what's in my bag. Alrighty, so I wanted to talk specifically about the eco-friendly products in my bathroom bag. Hopefully by the end of next year, all of my products in my bag will be either sustainable or reusable. However, at the moment, these are the ones that I specifically want to talk about. Okay, so let's start with the biggest item. This actually doesn't fit in my bathroom bag specifically, but I do take it into the bathroom with me because it is my microfiber towel, which dries super quickly and rolls up to be really small and compact, allowing me to take it into the gym or wherever we're using the showers at the time. Then I have my bamboo toothbrush. I switched to bamboo after my electric toothbrush died. I just couldn't stand using that much plastic all the time, and so I switched to a bamboo toothbrush. However, I let Kodiak pick out this toothbrush so it says Hello Handsome instead of Hello Beautiful. They make 2. Okay, so 3 of my 5 makeup products come from Besame. It is a company out of California, and they have a store that we visited in Burbank, California. So they make my cake mascara, which comes in this nice little metal tin, which can be reusable, and then I can just get the cake mascara itself, which comes in a little paper wrapping. Then I have the lipstick and the lipstick applicator. The applicator itself came with the lipstick, both of which are made out of metal or wood, and I just really like these products. They were a little bit more expensive, but not by much. It was something that you would find at like Sephora or something like that, and I really like them. Everything in the store is old-timey, so this lipstick specifically was from the 1940s, and obviously cake mascara was probably really big back when they didn't have the little applicator tubes. So everything is a little more old-timey makeup, and it's nice that they come in more sustainable packaging, or at least not plastic packaging. I also have these eco tools. They're made out of bamboo and metal. I don't have foundation or blush or powder, but if I was, at least I would have the tools for it. Then I use this pit liquor like I was talking about, which is made here in Fort Collins, and everything in it is either organic or ingredients that you can say or that you know of. For example, this one has only coconut vodka, water, rum, salt, and arrowroot. And all of those ingredients are organic except for the water, because water can't be organic. So last but not least, I have my shampoo bar. They make a conditioner bar as well in the same scent. It is from Wasted again, and they have this little travel tin. They tell you not to use the travel tin because it reduces the amount of times that you can use it because it doesn't fully dry out, but we don't really have another option. I'm just happy to find a shampoo that does not come in a plastic bottle, because as you can see, we have limited space and plastic bottles take up a ton of space. So not only is it compact and easy to carry around, but it also isn't made out of plastic. So those are all the things in my kit. Let's talk to Kodiak about his kit.
That failed so miserably. Go. Okay guys, time for my bag. So I don't have quite as much stuff in my bag, mainly because I don't need makeup or eyeliner. Maybe I do. Just kidding. Okay, here we go. So in my bag, I have a toothbrush. So I actually have an electric toothbrush. Yes, it's mainly plastic. No, I'm not gonna switch to bamboo, mainly because I have a massive issue with not brushing my teeth for long enough. So it has a timer in it, so it forces me to brush my teeth for the correct amount of time. I know, I could just put a timer on, but it's a lot nicer. The other thing that you probably realized that Alicia doesn't have in hers is toothpaste. The reason it's in my bag and not hers is because it just kind of lives in whatever bag whoever uses it last. So when we go in to shower at wherever we're showering at the time, we don't really brush our teeth. I do bring my toothbrush in with me every single time, and that's because of the next thing that I have in my bag, the charger. So I'll run in, as soon as I close the door and lock it, I put my toothbrush on the charger, just so I can mooch some of their electricity and it doesn't impact our battery bank at all. I know, lame. The next thing is another thing of toothpaste. So this is actually Sensodyne toothpaste. We don't really use it as toothpaste per se. So it has a numbing agent in it. Basically, if someone wakes up with a toothache, or you were grinding your teeth all night, you can put this on your teeth for 20 minutes probably not 20 minutes, like 5 minutes, and then wash it off and it will take the paint away. So that's why I have an extra thing of toothpaste. So I have my own pit liquor as well. The reason we went to this is because ultimately we can refill this over and over again. The ingredients are really simple and really easy to find. So when we run out, we'll just pop the top off of this, make our own little deodorant concoction with the same ingredients, and be able to reuse the glass container over and over again. And it actually works really, really well. I was very hesitant to try it. Continuing on, I have more deodorant. This normally doesn't live in my bathroom bag. This usually lives in my work bag. But you can never really have too much deodorant because no one likes to smell like a dirty hippie, even though we are living in a van. Also have the shampoo bar. Mine is peppermint. So Alicia's was white, mine's green, and it smells delicious. As you may have noticed, the stickers do not come with the metal tin. The metal tin is just a plain yellow metal tin. The stickers we put on so that I don't accidentally grab Alicia's and use hers, because hers is actually made for dry scalp. Mine is not. So that's why our stickers are different on the top and the bottom. I have my cologne in here as well. I do use this every day, and I've only used like this much of it, which is ridiculous. And the sprayer is already not working, so it's high dollar cologne, as you can see. Very much. I have an emergency toothbrush. Basically, if I leave this in the van on the charger, at least I still have a toothbrush. So, emergency toothbrush. 2 lighters. Don't know why they're in there, but they're in there. A replacement head for my electric toothbrush. I have more of these somewhere, but I'm not sure where. But one head lasts a really, really long time, so it doesn't matter. And last but not least, floss. Because doing the dance does not help your teeth.
What?
The floss dance? You know, the weird, awkward gyrating thing? Yeah. So, that is everything in my bag. But the last thing that we take in, I do have my own microfiber towel. This guy has a nice little carrying case just like Alicia's. It's a little bit smaller than Alicia's is, but it also folds up to a little smaller space. But, I mean, it works just the same. Works fine. The other thing that I wanted to point out, there was no contact solution or contact case in my bag. The reason being, and I know you've seen me with glasses on because I wear contacts, and I'm blind as a stinking bat. So,
That's offensive to bats.
The reason being is because I take my contacts out literally right before I go to bed, especially since Alicia stepped on my glasses.
Oh my gosh, I apologize.
So I take those out first thing, or last thing at night, and I put contacts in first thing in the morning. So that's a van thing. When I get glasses, yes, I will have my glasses case in my bathroom bag, and I will probably have my contact case in my bathroom bag. We do use a full bottle of solution, so that just kind of has a home in the van. Okay, guys, I hope you found that helpful. Now that the video is done, it's time to continue our day. I have a meeting to go to. Alicia's got some editing to do. Yeah.
And we'll put all the links if you're interested in any of the stuff we described in the thing below.
Yep. All of that will be down there. This video is not sponsored by anything. Any ads to Amazon will be affiliate links, which means it doesn't cost you anything extra, but we get a little bit of money from that. Otherwise, we also have a Patreon now. It's not complete. It's not done. We haven't made enough videos to justify it, but it's there because we needed it. So, yeah. Okay. I think that's it. Sage and Muffin, signing us off. Rah!